In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an ICS link from your Outlook web calendar in Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Outlook web account. Make sure you are fully logged in before moving on, so all of your calendar settings load correctly. Once you're inside Outlook on the web, take a moment to confirm that you're in the main mailbox view and that everything has finished loading. This helps avoid missing menu options or opening the wrong section by accident. Next, look for the Settings area in Outlook. In most versions of Outlook Web, this is represented by a gear icon, usually located near the top right of the screen. Click that to open your Settings panel. From there, you'll want to go into the calendar-related settings. If the panel only shows basic options at first, continue into the full settings view so you can access the complete calendar configuration. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to Calendar and then choose Shared Calendars. This is the section where Outlook lets you manage how your calendar is shared, published, and accessed by other apps or services. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct menu path, because Outlook includes several calendar options that can look similar. Inside Shared Calendars, find the specific calendar you want to view or share. If you manage more than one calendar, such as a personal calendar and a team calendar, double check that you're choosing the right one. After selecting it, look for the Publish option. Click Publish to generate a shareable calendar link. When Outlook creates the Publish calendar link, you'll usually see one or more link formats. The one you need here is the ICS link. ICS is a standard calendar format that can be used in many platforms and applications, making it useful when you want to subscribe to or view your Outlook calendar somewhere else. Carefully copy the generated ICS link. It's a good idea to paste it temporarily into a safe document or note if you plan to use it later, just to make sure you've captured the full link without missing any characters. Also, be aware that a publish calendar link can provide access to calendar information, so only share it with the appropriate people or systems. And that's it. Once you've copied the ICS link, you've successfully published your Outlook web calendar and captured the link you need.